Hey folks, AJ here. We're back at my favorite workbench. Today we're going to make a video on the Micro Magna jet using a lot of Whirlpool tubs back in the day. This jet is available in white and biscuit. Face of the jet measures 2 5/16 in diameter. The overall length of the jet is 1 15/32. Characteristics of the jet. First of all, the Micro jets had a flat face to it. Also, it was very popular to have this dented look on the outside. Came in a lot of different colors and different styles. It's only available in this white dented look right now, and of course we already said the biscuit dented look is also available. All right, let's take a look at the wall flange and the jet body that goes to it. Also very unique characteristics to it. There was this denting pattern on the outside of the wall flange. I'll hold that to the camera so everybody can see that dented pattern right there. Give you a groove there. You can get your pair of channel locks. The tool that was used on this wall flange to tighten it down and seal it to the tub is no longer being made. So you're just gonna have to rely on a pair of channel locks to tighten this up when you're trying to change the jet. So the diameter of the male threads on the wall flange is 1 5/16. Okay, and the face diameter of the wall flange is 1 57/64. Notice I'm not going on the dents there. I'm going on the inside actual part of the flange there itself. Okay, the jet body is only available in one plumbing configuration. That's a 1-inch water and 1-inch air. If you happen to have the 1/2-inch air, you're gonna have to bush it down with a bushing. Okay, a couple tricks of the trade when you're going to change this in your tub. Of course, you're gonna wanna use silicone on both sides. Get the wall flange here, put a heavy bead of silicone around that flange. Okay, stick it through the wall of the tub, then put a heavy bead of silicone on the back side before you tighten these two guys together. Okay, and again, we're gonna be using channel locks on this side to get it snug. You don't wanna over tighten and crack anything, just make sure you get it snug. Let the silicone do the rest. Any kind of excess silicone that pushes out of the wall flange, just wipe that off with a paper towel and some rubbing alcohol. Okay, the jet internal stays in the jet body with this flange kind of latching system. There's 2 of them on either side of the jet internal itself. There's also this hectagon controller here that is gonna sit over a hectagon nozzle down inside there. So that nozzle, you'll be able to adjust it with a 1/4 turn. I'm gonna demonstrate that right now. So we're gonna snap that in there all the way in, and then a 1/4 turn to the right is going to close off the jet, which would then close off the water flow. And then to the left, I don't know if you can see down inside there, we open it back up again. Let me pull it up to the camera so you guys can see. So we turn it all the way to the right, and that closes the water flow. And then we can go a little bit halfway, and then we can go all the way so it's opened up to increase the water flow. So to take this jet flange out, all you're gonna do is just get a flathead screwdriver and just kind of pry behind it, and it'll pop right out of your tub, okay? And that's all there is to it about this Micro Magna jet, made by Hydroair back in the day, currently made by Balboa. We are proud to be your Whirlpool Tub Parts Authority.